There's a lot of dead wood in this hedge, and the reason for it is vertical sides. This hedge has been trimmed with vertical sides for years and years, and as a result, all the foliage at the bottom never got any sun, and so it died out. This hedge doesn't even make a good visual barrier anymore. Now this is a nice, healthy yew hedge, and I'm shearing it in such a way that it's wider at the bottom than it is at the top. That's called giving the hedge batter. And the reason for doing that is to get sunlight on the bottom of the hedge. That keeps the bottom thick and full and lush. And it's important in this instance because this hedge was planted as insulation. Keep wind from howling under this drafty old front porch. There are two important things to know about trimming a hedge. The first is different plants should be trimmed at different times of year. Check with your local nursery and make sure you're doing it at the right time of year. And the other thing is, with an evergreen hedge like these yews, never cut past where it's green, or you'll reveal these dead inner stems that may never bud out again. For bigger jobs, you may want to use an electric or gas-powered hedge trimmer, but be careful. These things make a mistake in a hurry. Make the bottom wider than the top again to keep that bottom good and thick and full. And here's a little tip. Lay out a tarp or even an old bed sheet to catch the clippings. It'll save you cleanup time later. Now I've been doing this for a long time, but when I first started, I always put in a guide string like this one. The reason for that is to get the top of my hedge level and straight from one end to the other. And on long hedges like this, I still use a guide string. A guide string won't help this hedge though. In fact, if yours looks like this one, what you need to do is rejuvenation pruning. Take a chainsaw, cut it down to 6 to 10 inches tall, fertilize it, it'll grow back, and when it does, trim it wider at the bottom than at the top.